Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Chamela Pullen looks at overuse injuries.
Overuse injuries happens when too much stress is placed on a particular part of the body. The stress occurs when repeating the same movement. This normally affects athletes and other people who spend a lot of time on computers and other devices.
You're going to have people with nagging pains that get worse over the years. And this is what we see, especially like in legal typists, for example. I mean, they're typing fast and furious 8 hours a day. And the supermarket cashiers, especially after they've been on duty for many years, it can start to cause a problem in the cervical spine. This can also, in addition to causing symptoms in the hands, numbness, tingling, cramps, it can start to produce degenerative arthritis in the neck or the cervical spine.
Chiropractor Dr. Michael Harvey says overuse injuries are also common in teenagers. Although it can be treated, he says prevention is key.
Well, let's say you're a typist and you're typing all day long. You must get up every 15 minutes and stretch your legs, right? And just change your posture for a few minutes. And here's another little trick you can do that eases up the damage. You can just sit at your desk for a minute and elevate your shoulders and kind of let your head drop down inside your neck, right? And what it does, it just relaxes the muscles of the cervical spine. So if you have a job where you're typing all day long, you want to start, doing this maybe every 15 minutes, and it feels really good just to do it. You can try it yourself and see.
Dr. Harvey recommends the use of ice instead of heat.
Take an ice pack and put the ice pack around the neck and leave it there for exactly 20 minutes, no more, no less, and then take it off for an hour, and then you can do it again. And by the way, in our offices, we don't recommend heat most of the time. We like ice because ice shrinks, right? What do you want to shrink? You want to shrink the inflammation around the spinal cord and the spinal nerves.
The earlier an overuse injury is diagnosed, the sooner the area can heal. With your health report, I'm Chamela Pullen wishing you good health.